Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be making a video kind of like highlighting the code interpreter plugin. I know a lot of people don't have it. Trust me, I've seen a lot of videos where people are demonstrating what it could do or what not it could do. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen a lot of it. I'm going to try to make one and kind of like to begin, I'm going to ask it a question to begin. So I told it like, can you tell me some cool stuff that can be done with the code interpreter plugin on ChatGPT? Let me regenerate the response so see what's going on. Okay, so it's gonna let me know. So one of the things says could do math and science calculations, data analysis, of course, we know that. Um, Machine learning. It could do text processing, file operations, simulations, all of that. So we already know what it was and how we could do it. I'm gonna stop this right now. Um, yes, it was better. So if you have for you to get the code interpreter, you gotta have the ChatGPT Plus subscription. Is $20 a month. And if you don't have it activated, or if you want to get it activated, this is how you do it. You basically click the three buttons by your name. You're gonna go into settings, beta features. I got the plugins in there, and then you click this on. It usually be off, and you click it on. And if you go into, let me just see, create a new chat, and then you go into GPT-4. You're gonna see the option with the default. You're gonna see the code interpreter, and you're gonna see the plugins feature. We're gonna leave the code interpreter feature on. So the first thing we're gonna do is kind of like try to collect some data, because you see once you get the code interpreter feature on, you're gonna see the plus sign that allows you to upload data. So I'm gonna go to this website Kaggle. They're pretty cool. They got a lot of data sets of pretty much anything you could think of. Since I'm in the Virgin Islands in the Caribbean, let me pull something about international tourism. So where is it at? I'm gonna download the file right here, and let me see. I'm gonna go back into ChatGPT. I'm gonna make it a little easier. You could usually click this, and you could actually find the file on your computer. I know it's right there. I'm just gonna go in the archives. This one there should see this one. I'm just gonna see if I could drag it. Oops, I made a mistake. My bad. Let me try again. Drag it down right here. I'm gonna ask it, can you explain this data set? I'm just gonna make it thing. Um, when you are done analyzing the data, create visuals to explain your findings. Okay, let me see if it works. Usually you don't have to do that much, but I got it that way. So let me see if it's gonna actually go through. So it's gonna show you the work. Whenever you see the icon come up here, you could actually click on this and see what it's doing. Went through it. The zip file contains blah 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 blah. I have no idea what it is. I'm not a data analyst. I just know the feature is cool as hell, and I'm just thinking of the ways I'm gonna implement it. You could use that to do like data for small businesses. You could do data analysis for them, kind of get their books in order, and you could charge a fee for that. That could be another side hustle. There's like the possibilities are limitless when it comes to this, and to imagine that it's still in the beta feature, that's what makes it even more scary to me. It's spitting out everything else. It's going through the data set. It's telling everything else. I like the chats. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I have no idea what none of this is saying, but I just want to see it go through everything and see it visualize the chat. According to other videos I've seen, like a lot of data analysts, they let you know that it's been okay. So it didn't generate the chats. Can you? Something wrong with my keyboard, guys. My daughter, you generate graphs. Like I said, I'm sorry, my keyboard, my daughter, she's like a destroyer. Graphs and chats explaining the data in this data set. Okay, we're waiting. It's showing whatever it could do. Let me see. So it's actually showing you the work what it could do. You just gotta wait a little longer. Um, while we're waiting, guys, I just want to tell you guys, my channel is new. I mean, there's no way in hell I'm perfect. I'm just trying to get it do. I'm going on the fly. But one of the things I always know is that it's better to do and fail than to not do at all. So if you guys get a chance, you guys give me a like or subscribe. I really appreciate that. That will kind of keep me motivated to keep going because just like you, I love technology. I love artificial intelligence. I love progress. But also I'm gonna be very unbiased with it too. Okay, let me cut it off because it actually made a graph for me. I thought it would have made more. So the graph says the line plot above represents the top 5 countries with the highest mean tourist expedition from 2010 to 2018. So it's showing that one of the highest one, it got like, which one is this one? Because the world, it got Europe. It's a pretty cool graph. I thought it would have done some other graphs. Can we ask it to generate some more? Some more graphs. Okay, next thing I'm gonna try to do is while we're waiting, I've never done this before. I'm gonna try to see if I could upload an image in here. I'm gonna upload the image and then I'm gonna ask it to. Okay, I'll use screenshot. I'll use a picture right here. Can you turn this image into a 5-second GIF where the image zooms from out to in. Okay, so it generated the graph, pretty much the same graph, pretty much the same. Let me see what it does with the picture. Like I said, guys, I just got it the other day. I haven't really messed with it because of work, but I just figured I've been looking for other videos as well, and there's a lot of people doing the same thing, and I'm pretty much probably doing the same thing. Let me see if it actually creates the GIF. After that, I think we'll be done. But as you saw earlier, it shows all the capability and everything that the bot could do from above, from my last chat. Um, like I said, this is just a demo, and it actually created it. So it created the GIF. Let me download it. Let me see if it works. Yeah. Okay. Let me see what it does. Okay, so I have no idea what I mean. I'm not sure if I gotta put it into like a GIF editor or something like that, but it's not playing, so I don't know what's going on here. I think it has it in frames. Maybe I need a GIF editor or something to do it in there, but you can see it actually did it. Let me see this. Let me ask it to, can you convert this GIF to an MP4 and create a download, create a download link. Okay, so it's working on it. Let me see what's going on. Okay, so it says finished. Convert it into MP3. You can download it here. So let's see what's going on here. Okay, here it is. Let me see. Okay, cool. So it does work. That's awesome. Okay, cool. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you guys a brief overview of the code interpreter. I'll try to work on some cool projects that I can actually show you that you haven't seen on the internet. But until then, you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn that notification on, and you guys stay blessed. Have a good day.